In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all Shopify data. We'll walk through exporting your products and your customers from the Shopify admin so you can back up your store, analyze it in a spreadsheet, or prepare to migrate. Before you start, decide where these files will live. Secure cloud storage or a protected local folder so you can keep regular backups. First, sign into your Shopify admin using an account with permission to export data. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Products. At the top right of the Products page, click Export. In the Export dialog, choose all products to include every item in your catalog, including variants. Next, pick the export format that fits your needs. A standard CSV works great for Excel, Numbers, Google Sheets, and most analytics tools. If you're moving data into another Shopify store, use the format designed for that. When you're ready, click Export Products. For smaller catalogs, your browser will download the file right away. For larger stores, Shopify emails you a secure download link. Save the file somewhere safe and consider naming it with today's date so you can track versions. This file includes key details like titles, SKUs, prices, inventory, and more. If you plan to import elsewhere, avoid changing column headers, and note that images aren't embedded. The CSV references their URLs. Now let's export your customers. From the left sidebar, open Customers. Again, click Export at the top right. Choose all customers to capture your full customer list, including profile information and marketing status. Select your preferred file format, usually CSV, and then click Export Customers. Just like before, small lists download immediately, while big lists arrive by email. Handle this file carefully since it may contain personal information such as names, email addresses, and locations. Store it securely and follow your organization's privacy policies and any applicable data regulations. A couple of quick tips. If you only need a subset of data, you can filter or search before exporting. But if your goal is a full backup, make sure no filters are applied and you've selected the all option in each export. If you don't see the export button, check your staff permissions or ask an administrator to grant export access. For very large stores, Shopify may split the export into multiple files. And if your spreadsheet shows odd characters, import the CSV using UTF-8 encoding, which preserves special symbols. That's it. You've exported products and customers from Shopify using the built-in tools, giving you clean, portable files you can analyze or archive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.